Alright, hey, I just got my Icon Snowskate. It's Christmas. And yeah, here's the unboxing for it. So yeah. Got the whatever this is. For a sec. Stickers. The extreme grip right there. I always get it off because I don't like the way they put it on.
Hearses, driving around your house with voodoo hex, voodoo dolls, bouncing on your bed, throwing devil sets,
Here's the new team board series, something like that, with the true concave right there. And yeah, they even got that blue thing, the icon symbol right there. And yeah, it comes with whatever this is right here.
Then up my sleeve, muddy boots, blazing crickets, call me Crow, boy, he's bang. Crow got a lust for the devilish bust and a 666 crush, and I touch like Malachi, rolling every spike, looking for your ass, and we high with the infrared, so demons flashing like some fuck.
Right there. It's a pretty sick board. Looks like they almost may have ridden it before, just to make sure it was good. It was good. It was good. Kind of looks that way, but that's alright. Just like one ride down the hill. I'm going to put my extreme grip on. And so, yeah. Here's it with the extreme grip. Right there. And with the true concave. And, there's the thing. Rip back and grab my bit.